नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. In previous session, we have a brief introduction about food poisoning, how many types of food poisoning are commonly present, and a brief study about few types of food poisoning. Today we will continue the topic. And the next type of food poisoning is Clostridium perfringens food poisoning. This organism is found in feces of humans and animals and in soil, water and air. And its transmission is through ingestion of contaminated meat and poultry. The incubation period of this bacteria is 6 to 24 hours. Its spores are heat resistant and can tolerate high temperature, and they multiply between 30 degree to 50 degrees Celsius and produces different toxins. So food needs to be cooled. Its symptoms develop 8 to 24 hours after consuming contaminated food, and symptoms are diarrhea and abdominal cramp. Fever may be absent or mild. Symptoms last about 1 day or less. Next is serious food poisoning. Bacillus cereus is present in soil and in uncooked food, dried and processed food. So basically it is present in soil and uncooked, dried and processed food. The spores of this bacteria are also heat resistant and can survive even after cooking of the food. It produces two types of food poisoning. One is emetic form of food poisoning, where it has short incubation period and symptoms are predominantly related to upper GIT like nausea, vomiting, and second is diarrheal form. It has comparatively longer incubation period of and symptoms are predominantly related to lower GIT, mainly diarrhea and abdominal colic. Treatment is symptomatic. Now, the causative organisms of food poisoning. Food poisoning is usually common in summer weather, summer season, as it provides the optimum temperature for the growth of infective organism. In summer season, the temperature is relatively higher side, and it is the best or optimal temperature in which a organism can promote or he can grow his colonies. So food poisonings are very common in summer season. The organisms responsible for food poisoning are enteric group of bacteria, cholera, bacillary dysentery, staphylococcal and other bacterial infection, amoebic dysentery and other protozoal infection, acute infective hepatitis, brucellosis, various worm infestations, schistosomiasis, and traveler's diarrhea caused by E. coli. Every case of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea cannot be food poisoning. So food poisoning should be differentiated from cholera, acute bacillary dysentery, and arsenic poisoning by considering the history, symptoms, food, what he had in last previous diet or last night or previous days. Was there anyone other who was affected after taking the same food, or examination of food, vomitus or stool, or blood examination for the causative agent. Treatment is gastric lavage, glucose saline infusion, IV fluid is very essential to treat dehydration. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.